So I have this I'm gonna call it chrome, metallic chrome Toby custom model. I decided to make this. It takes a little bit of time to make it. Now it's just the first time I'm trying to do this, and as you can see, the sides are decent. So the top is that it's the thing that I don't like it, but it's chrome. But anyways, it's the first time doing this. It's always the first time there's a problem to do. Now I just bought a machine. I think it's called vacuum forming, something like that, that you put the plastic or the material on top, and then just once it's heated by the element, just lower the in this case it's tin foil, aluminum tin foil transfer. So once it's heated up, you lower the part that contains the aluminum foil, tin foil, and then you turn on the vacuum, and it spreads evenly in every single area. So that's gonna be for maybe next year, because the machine is gonna come back. It's gonna arrive. Sorry, I'm lost. See, the thing is that it's 3 in the morning right now. So the machine will arrive maybe in the first week of January. So I just placed the order today, December 23rd. So anyways, the sides look decent. To me, it's okay. And I just wanted to show this. Probably this is gonna be the last video of the year. So it looks really nice. Look, it is not paint. It's thin foil. I explained it to you guys the other day when I make the unboxing of this chrome Gordon, James, Percy, and Thomas, that they probably use this material, but I might be mistaken. I mean, I might be wrong. But anyways, so the top did not work as I expected. So that's the reason I bought the machine, that little machine, to put the transfer. What is this called? I already forgot. It's aluminum foil, tin foil transfer, something like that. So anyways, it's in this case I use the heat gun. That's what I use for the vinyl, and for this too. So this is easy to remove. I just gotta peel it off, and it will come off. So I'm gonna do that, replace this part, and maybe make it work. But I think it's looking good. This part, I think it looks pink at the camera, but it's actually like a rust color. It's brown color, kind of brownish color. It's not even pink, but it looks pink in the camera. It looks really pink. It's kind of copper, actually. It's kind of copper color. But anyways, what do you guys think about this project? I have another project that is pending project, and one idea somebody told me several times on a model engine, because I'm talking about 5 or 6 months ago, somebody commented about this other female character in red color. But anyways, and I think I have the colors for that in this material, so it's not bad actually. The sides it takes time, but they look good. I have not done the windows, back windows, neither the front windows, like that you can see, but the sides are done, and I just finished it. I just wanted to try, but okay, I want to show you where is that character. Oh, here it is. I began to do this before the Toby. It's like if you are wrapping. It's actually, yes, it's wrapping, and I don't know what you guys think about this. Did it work? Does it look good?
because I had the strip on this side here, and then I just removed it because I didn't like it. So that's the reason I ordered this vacuum forming, I think it's vacuum forming machine, and I have the pink color, purple color for the top. And once I have the machine, the lining, I mean the everything will look perfectly, really smooth finish. But not, this is the first time I use tinfoil transfer on these models, so there is the result. As you can see, it's not this, it's not as I wanted to get the result. These are not bad. The flat areas look okay, but round areas are most complicated, it's more complex. So the flat square areas are easier to get done, but not the roundest area as in here. Even I cannot use the knife to cut this. Once place it in there and try to trim down the excess or some areas, it's not easy because this does contain plastic. You can see the plastic. This is plastic, and it's the first time I'm using this material. So, anyways, I hope I can get some good comments where maybe you can give me more ideas on how to use this material. But at the moment, I just placed the order for the vacuum forming machine, and then I will replace this part. And of course it's going to look much better than it is look on the top. Yeah, I don't like the top. It's not the same as if you have the right equipment. Well, the sides are okay. Sides look okay. See the reflex of my hand? Yes, really shiny, really shiny. Once I get the machine, I think it's gonna look really good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, so anyways, I hope I can get this done next year, I mean January. I've been of course trying to recover again. Sorry guys, but I fell back again ill, so I had to stay in bed again for more time. And well, that's all for today, guys. I hope to find good ideas how to make this process. Maybe you guys have, some of you have experience with this material, this kind of tin transfer, chrome or something.